Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this video, I want to explain a very helpful feature inside of Tradingview. As I mentioned in previous tutorials, you have a whole lot of different options over here you can use to do your charting. But a very helpful feature is this option over here, this star. And if you hover over it, you can see show favorite drawing tools. So if I click on it, now you can see I have a few options added to the toolbar, to the favorites. And let's say there are a few tools you use regularly, then it's helpful to add them to this bar. So then you won't have to go over to the menu every time, and you can just select them by clicking on this star. And you see that this becomes visible. And if I want to draw a trend line, for example, I just select it from over here, click on it, just draw the trend line like this. Remove this. These are the options for the trend line. And if I want to add a rectangle, for example, then I can select it straight from over here. Let's say I want to draw it like this. Do something like that. Zoom in a little bit. Do it like this. So now I have a support zone. Change the color real quickly to green. So now you have a support zone. And let's say I want to add another drawing tool to this favorites bar. The way to go is just go to a certain tool. In this case, I want to add the parallel channel. That's a tool I often use also. But as you can see, now it hasn't been added to the favorites bar yet. So to add it, you just go to the option in the menu. And it's very easy and straightforward. You just need to select the star so it becomes highlighted like this. And now you see it will be added to the toolbar. So if I deselect it, you see that it disappears again. And if I select it, it will be added to the favorites bar. So this way you can add all the drawing tools that you often use, and you can set it up in the favorites bar. It saves you a lot of time, and it also helps you to find all the things you use regularly very easily. So that's the way to go. And now you can see if I click over here, I can draw the price channel. So for example, I want to draw it from over here to over there, like that. Now that's done. So use this option, the star. If you want to hide this bar, just click on it and it will disappear. And if you want to show up again, just click on it, and then you can also drag it to any place you want to. I'll place it most of the times over here at the bottom, so I have all this space visible. And if I want to add something, I just go below over here to the bar, and then I select something and I can add it to the chart. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.